Correct?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello,
Nadeem ji.
Hi.
hello
Hi, Ash.
Himaji.
Looking awesome, guys.
You
Film
too.
You
Transformer.
too. You too
Real
looking good.
Transformer.
Yeah.
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 How's you doing today? How's your last week experience when you completed outcomes? Tell me, uh, what is you're about yourself right now? Tell me,
Yeah.
Ashish. Yeah, Nadeem, you okay
Yeah.
first?
I can see my dreams are coming true. So
Oh,
my
wow.
mind start believing, yes, I can do that. I can write my book. I can become rich. I
You
can become happy.
transform
Yes.
yourself.
Yeah, at least my mind start believing
Yeah.
that it can happen. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Good.
I also thought that it become easier to visualize the things, and when we break down into smaller parts, now we can believe that yes, it is achievable. So
Achievable.
that gives a good confidence to us.
Good confidence. You're right. Now both of you understand the how choice is important our life. Today, this week, we talking about this only. You what exactly? I will explain you. Okay. Today week is unleash. Now we completed second week, third week, and today we will start fourth week, the first session. Okay,
Yes.
I
Yeah.
will explain you unleash. What is the unleash?
Mm, uh, Taking out something from within.
Yeah, yes, you're right. Nearby. Okay, I will explain in a detailed manner. Uh, destroy any obstructions that may come in the way your outcome, and discover what kind of impacts your friends and other people you spend time with have on you. This is the unleash. uh, my past decision. You will answer a set of questions about a decision that you made in the past. Past to identify what they could have done for a better decision. Outcomes. Purpose of this activities is you you to be aware of where and how they couldn't make a good decision in their past. Uh, Instruction. Answer the question about the decision you made in the past. Let's begin. I will give you I will give you time. Then you write about a personal decision you have had to make in the past that turn out to be a bad or a wrong decision. And you write down a second. Now that after the consequence you have realized that the decision was wrong, what would you do differently about such a decision? How would your life have been today if that decision was taken in a right way? You understand? You
Yeah.
write down three questions. Three questions, and you write down an answer and think about it. How would your life have been today if that decision was taken in a right way? Okay.
Yeah.
I will give you uh, 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, you write down answer, think about it, these questions, then we will discuss later.
Oh,
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. I'll back. Hello, guys.
hi.
Back to
Yeah.
session. Hello.
Hello.
Have you done this
Yeah.
past decision? Okay. Tell me, Nadeem ji, uh, what is your route?
Yeah. I have taken few past decisions like, starting the business. Yeah,
Speak
yeah,
loud.
yes.
Yeah.
I have started in few new businesses where I don't have much control. So on the, with my friends, I thought they will run the business. I invested. So when they were not doing well, I used to get stress and tension because I don't have the specialty in that. So these kind of few decisions I took in the past, so which has converted into wrong decisions. So that is
Okay,
the
that is your decision. Okay. Tell me about what is your way if your wrong decision, what is the impact in your life?
yeah, little bit stressful, and I'm not happy because of those decisions.
Okay. And tell me, Asha.
So I just try to recall that I got a job opportunity for Geneva that was call center kind of job. So I left it because I thought I'm MBA postgraduate, so I will get management level job in India in a better cadre. But yeah, I got it, but definitely depending on the city, it was not that good. Later on, I realized that if I would have gone to Geneva, through that job, maybe my English would have been improved, my lifestyle would have changed. So many things I thought it would have changed.
Change. Okay, okay. What is the impact in your life if you're not taking, you took wrong?
I Because I think that was the right time. I could have got more exploration, and maybe for further with all those improvements, I would have gone further, take a high leap on my career.
Okay, okay. You are, both are guys, you understand which our decision is the most important in our life and how impact in our life. You understand if you write something, you understand why I'm doing this and why I'm took this decision. You understand more key what this is unleash my past decision impact in my life this way. And now as we move closer or to the end of our journey, today is a very important topic we are going to explore. It's about making decisions, and one wrong decision can impact you for years, and making the right decision is so important as the quality of our decision is the quality of our life. So today I will take you guys through a process of making a right decision which are aligned with your baseline. Okay, I will explain you a detailed manner. Page number 91. Decision making wheel. Decision making wheel. No more making wrong decision and no more feeling overwhelmed with the problems. We have a tool for you that will resolve your problems by making a right decision in step by step manner. Decision making wheel is online tool that will make you think about certain problem by asking you a set of questions. At the end of all the question, you will come to know about necessary information for you to make a right decision. Decision making wheel, uh, about the activities. You will consider two scenarios, hypothetical scenarios, and use the online decision making wheel to figure out a decision they need to make for the resolution of that problematic situations. Outcome, purpose of this activities is for your understand how the decision making tool can help you make a right decision in certain kind of situation. Step by step instruction. This step one, broadcast the tool to the your hub and go to the software and open the decision making tool. You have a you go to the hub and you open your decision making tool. Click in the center of the tool to write down that problem is, which will be hypothetical scenario given here. And step three, once the problem is started, go through each section around the wheel of answer the question in each section. Repeated the same process for the hypothetically scenario too. Let's begin. I will give you 10 minutes time. You can start. You can go into a hub and click the button. Your wheel of making decision will come and you can start your work. Okay, I'll give you
Yes.
10 to 15 minutes. We will come back. We will discuss again more. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you done, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Decision making wheel.
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed?
Yeah.
You get more clarity?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Please, you read that now? First decision making scenario, page number 93. You read that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Please tell me, Nadeem ji, what is the problem?
Yeah. Problem is I'm confused because my relative is also important and my spouse is also important.
Sorry?
My relative is also important and my spouse is also important. How to
Okay.
manage in between both is my challenge. That is the
Okay.
problem.
What are the choices you have? What are the choices you have?
Yeah, it's very
That
tricky
time.
question. Yeah, it's very tricky question.
I know.
I need to balance both.
You need to balance both. It's good. And what do you think in the sequence of this choice, you be yourself and others are involved?
Yeah, I cannot because I had to solve this problem. Otherwise, both will be angry.
Both will
Me.
be angry. Okay,
Yeah.
you understand this is a problem.
Yeah.
And what baseline do you have you need to consider?
My baseline is love and happiness.
Happiness. Okay.
Okay, so if I wanted to be happy, I need to solve this problem.
Okay, you understand your baseline is a happiness and happiness will meet this situation.
Hey,
That's why you taken a decision. Decision.
No, when I solve the problem, then I able to get the happiness of my
Yes,
wife. Yeah.
I'm same.
Yes. Yeah.
I I explain you na ki if you solve the problems, your baseline met this
Yeah.
situation. Okay. And how do you feel about the situations?
Yeah. Very embarrassing. So I don't know how to say.
Embarrassing.
Yeah.
And is there anything else you need to learn about it?
Yes, in life, these kind of situations will come. We need to handle this. We cannot, escape or run away from this.
And do you need to ask for help? And who will ask? Who will you ask?
I need to do first from my side.
Okay.
And then maybe I have to ask my wife or spouse to
Okay.
understanding me and when I'm explaining.
Yeah. What is your decision?
Yeah, decision is to explain both of them separately and bring both of them and make a clear this thing.
Make it clear. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think you made the right decision and why?
Yes, I made the right decision. Explaining both of them separately, then bring both of them together.
Together.
And whatever it happens, like sometimes one of them will not listen, but at least I have tried my best to solve this problem.
You're right. guys, you understand now this. I will given you one scenario why you taking this decision, and why there they have scenario, you have a choice. What do you take on? This is this activities all about this. Ki, how do you feel about the situation? What your base, how your baseline will met, and how you um, you're solving a problem, you're this scenario, you understand both,
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
you understand both this
Yeah.
is okay, it's good, you understand. And let's make a decision activities. Okay,
Yeah.
we will, yeah. uh
Okay.
Okay.
okay guys, let's move on. Decision making activities. You will use decision making wheel to resolve the real problem of their life by making a right well through well through decision. Purpose of this activities is for you to ensure that they make the right decision for real problem in their life using a decision making tool. Why we will make this decision making tool? You understand what is the situation, how we will take a right decision in my life, or what is the impact in my life. And step one, write down a real problem in your life, and go to a software and you open the making tool. Open the making tool, click in the center of tool, write down the what problem that you wrote in step one. Once the problem is started, go through each section around the wheel and answer the question in each section. Write down your final decision. This is your final decision. Okay, write down a real problem in your life that require you to make a decision and solve it. This is a main purpose of activities. Okay guys, you can start. Give a
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Start.
Okay guys, tell me, Asha ji,
So
share
like,
your share your final decision, what you taken.
through my experience, what I learned is I missed few good opportunities by taking the wrong decision. So I thought now I will make sure that I will not miss any good opportunity, whatever comes in my hand.
Okay, okay. uh, Tell me what you learn from this process.
Learning is that, yes, sometimes knowingly or unknowingly we take wrong decisions.
Wrong.
So like, definitely we learn from our mistakes, as people say that we all, I have also learned that yes, we have to think where everybody wants to grow, so take the opportunity whenever it comes to you.
You're right. And tell me, Nadeem ji, your final decision. Give me a.
Yeah. I have taken a decision like, I need to ask all these questions before I take any decision in my life, because it's very clear and it will take us to a proper direction.
You're
Okay.
right.
So
And tell me what learn from this process.
yeah, that's what I learned, that in the future, whatever steps I'm taking, whether in terms of business or in any area, I will ask myself these questions and I take decisions based on the answers what I get.
You're right. You understand this process, both of you.
Yeah, even
Yeah.
I think like, right now we have to, as we have learned from the week one onwards, we are learning baselines. So we have to consider that. Then we
You're
have to consider our codings. We have to
right.
consider a lot of aspects before taking the decision. So that has become a important role in
Yes.
our lives.
Okay, because we are a transformer. We take
Yes,
life
if we really
much.
want to transform.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, guys, this
Yeah.
now we wrap on, and we will move on. We will meet in the next session, and you do your activities proper way. And if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, please message me, contact me. I will explain again to again. My purpose is coaching, transform your life your own way, not me. You understand, you take decision your own, not your life, not someone, depend on
Yes,
someone. Your life only yourself. Your life is your choice, not
true.
anybody. Okay. Okay
Yes.
guys, bye, take
Sure.
care.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.